It is as easy as opening this, putting the tomatoes inside, closing this, and then we just put the sealer right on top of that, press the start button. The best part is that it's going to stop automatically, so you don't need to do anything else. There are a couple of things that you need to know before you spend any money on this vacuum sealer, so keep watching this video to make sure this is going to be the right fit for you. I've been testing this for a few weeks now, so I have information to tell you, the good and the not so good about this. I'm going to put it to the test for you to see. For that I have some tomatoes, because I think that way it's gonna be easier for you to see how this works. But let me start saying that the main thing that I like about this is how little it is. As you can see here, it fits in my hand and it's really easy to put away in any drawer. There are other type of vacuum sealers that are way bigger. They are little machines, so putting them away it's not as easy as this. Also, this is portable. It only requires a USB Type-C charger, so once you charge the battery you can take this literally everywhere. I also love the fact that it comes with different bags. Here we have a small and a medium one. I'm going to be using the small one for this sample because these are small tomatoes. The best part is that it's going to stop automatically, so you don't need to do anything else. You saw that? And we remove it, and as easy as that, it only took a couple of seconds and we have our tomatoes here. By the way, this is also great for meal prep. In a second I'm going to tell you the only thing I don't like about this, but first I want you to take a closer look at it because this is really elegant as well. It comes with this lid here, which I think it makes it look very elegant and professional. Instead of putting it away in a drawer, you can even leave it there on your countertop because it looks great. It's not heavy, the battery doesn't take that long to charge, and when it's fully charged it's going to take a long time before it needs to be charged again. But now, the only thing I don't like about this vacuum is the fact that you are going to need these specific type of bags. Mine came with a lot of them, so time to time you will need to get more of these same bags. The good news is that this is a real brand. They sell the bags and you can do bundles, so you can get them directly from them or you can buy generic bags somewhere else. Speaking about the bags, I love the fact that you can put here the date, so you will know how long the food has been there. So overall, to wrap it up, I think this is a great product because, like I said before, it's really easy to use, it's portable, it's going to be very easy to put away, and it works really well. So to me, it is 100% worth it and I definitely recommend it.